Some jobs surprise you, others make you question reality. This one? Well, you'll see. Hey all, today we have a really interesting job on our hands. I'm gonna show you what's happening. Yep, so the plumber did a roughing and he waited for a fit off to realize that he installed the wrong mixers. His excuse is that he sent an apprentice to do it, but still he should have come and checked the work himself, which he hasn't done obviously. To top it off, he sent the apprentice to remove the tiles, which he doesn't know how to do. And the issue with that is that he chipped almost every single tile. This one is the worst because that tile goes behind the shower screen and behind the vanity, which is already installed. To replace this tile, we have to take the shower screen off and vanity. And it's not an easy job. Plus, we have to remove this villaboard, reinstall it and waterproof it. He thought that putting a black marker on the pipe is gonna fix it. I mean, absolute disgrace. Chipped tile. This one is chipped all the way. And same problem here. He chipped two tiles that go behind the shower screen. To fix these two tiles, I have to take the shower screen off. Look at the cut. When you're taking the tiles off, you're not supposed to cut the grout out with the grinder, which is what he's done, and chipped every single tile. What you do if you want to take the tile off, you cut it like this. You go as close as possible, and you cut it like here as well. When you do the cuts there, you can do a couple of cuts like this. Once you take the middle part out, and you can just chisel it out and it's gonna pop without damaging the grout or the tile next to it. And yeah, he just didn't know how to do it, unfortunately, and he made a mess. And the fun doesn't stop there, because this is a duplex. So if you have someone you don't really like and you want to end up relationship with them, I know a perfect plumber you can recommend to your so-called friend. You send him the details of this plumber and they'll never call you again. It's like, how do you even chip this tile here? It's just a nightmare. Brand new bathrooms already needing repairs because someone didn't bother checking a mixer and an apprentice decided to go full Michael Bay on the tiles. Absolutely no plot, we just mixed the explosions. New build or not, the rules don't change. Supervise properly, do it right the first time, or you'll be back before handover. And leaving an apprentice alone on site, that's like leaving your beer on a pub table at 2 AM while you duck off to take a piss. You know you're asking for trouble. Alright, that's it for today. See you in the next one.